Students, good morning. I think you all completed your homeworks, right? And your classwork notes side by side, right? Okay, please do all your work side by side. Okay, don't be lag. If you lag means the work will be heavy. Okay, it will be dumb back of you only. Okay, so don't keep your works as it is. Please complete in time. Okay, now we are going to start a new topic. In before session we have completed our exercise 1.2, right? So you have to keep it in mind, we have completed exercise 1.2. So we can give test also. I will give you test also in this weekend. I will give test also, so keep it in mind. So be prepared for the test. Okay, then now here chapter 1 part 14. Now here we are going to see a new topic name as order of operation. Order of operation. Now what is meant by order of operation? Now what is first we have to see what is meant by operation. So in mathematics there is four operations. We will have four operations. What is they means? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So there will be how many operations in maths? There will be four operations. What are they? They are, first one is addition, second one subtraction, third one multiplication and fourth one division. Okay, so like this we have to maintain the operation. Okay, now here what is meant by order, ma'am? Order means you already know. Order means what we can say means a schedule. So order அப்படினு சொன்னோம்னா இதன்படி ஒன்றுக்கு அப்புறம் ஒன்று, yes, one by one. So likewise what we are going to see here means we are going to see a new rule named as BIDMAS. What? BIDMAS. BIDMAS. Clear? What it names as BIDMAS. Okay, now here B means what? So now we are going to see this is based on the operations only. Okay, so now here we are going to expand the following. Give the expanded form of this, and we can see some simple types of examples also below that. Okay, now B means what? Now here B means bracket. So now here B means what? Bracket. So bracket. No, you already know that bracket means what? This one or this one, or right? So this is brackets. Okay, so these three brackets will be available in the order of operation. So now first bracket. Yes, the first thing is bracket. Okay, if they have given any sum, for example, if they have given like this means, so 7 minus bracket 2 plus 1. So this is example sum. Okay, keep it in mind, just keep it in mind. This is your example sum. How we have to answer? Now there is two operation. One is minus and another one is plus. Okay, can you understand? So you should not see that operation. First thing is what? In BIDMAS rule, the first thing what you have to see is the bracket. So while we are seeing that bracket, we have to do that bracket first, then we have to move to the next operations. Clear? So first, while we are seeing there is a bracket, so this is a bracket, right? So 2 plus 3, so you have to complete that first. If then in the before numbers and after numbers, between numbers, you have to write as it is, that is 7 minus, okay, 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So here you have to replace here. So 2 plus 1 without the, so for 2 plus 1 you are going to replace 3, right? So now what is the value? 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3, so subtract 7 minus 3, that is you will get a value as 4. So now here equal to 4. Can you understand? So if they, what is mean by B means bracket. If they gave you a sum like this, so you have to first check whether we have bracket in it or not. So if you have bracket, you have to do the sum for the bracket, then afterwards you have to move to the next topics and all. Okay, so first one we have completed. So second one means this is integers. So this one you will not see in this 6th standard. So it is based on the powers, base and all. Okay, so integer has many laws, so in integers will not be available here. Oh, and integer I means integers. So you will not see these types of sums here, okay, in 6th standard. So in future you will learn that. Okay, now next D. This is second here in our type, that is in 6th standard you will see D as second, that is division as second part. So second part is what? Division. D as division. Clear? First one, this is second one. So for example, the same thing we are going to see here. So example, if they gave you any sum like 10 divided by 2 plus 3. So see here, so first we have to see the first thing, the rule is what? The first thing we have to see whether we have bracket or not. Can in this question there is a bracket? No. So if there is, we don't have bracket, we have to move to the next operation, that is division. Okay, can we see any division operation here? Yes. So here we can see a division operation. Okay, so if it is division means 10 divide by 2. Okay, 2 ones are 10 fives are, right? Yes, 2 fives are 10. Okay, now how we can write it? 5 divided by 1. So I already told you, in the denominator if you have 1, you can just leave it and you can just write the numerator alone. So the numerator here comes is 5, right? So here we should replace, for division we have to replace 5, then the remaining number we have to write it. So now 5 plus 3 is what? 8. Clear? So 5 plus 3 is 8. So like this type you have to find the values. Clear? So the first thing is bracket and the second thing is division. We have seen two operations here. Okay, the BIDMAS rule. In this, B is bracket and D is division. Okay, now after division what comes? So BIDMAS, right? I will write another time also here. BIDMAS. So we have completed this one and we have completed this one. Now next one is multiplication. That will come as third one. That is third one as multiplication. Right? Okay, now multiplication. So multiplication means like the same thing. First we have to check whether we have bracket. Okay, then we have to check whether we have division. Then we have to see the third one as multiplication. Okay, for example, I will give you an example sum, right? Listen here. So 3 plus 2, okay, into 2. So like this, if they gave you means you have to see, right? You have to check the value. So extra also we can do one thing. Okay, now see here, this is a sum given for you means. So what we have to see first, the first rule is what? Bracket. So first you have to check whether you have bracket or not. So here can we see any bracket? Yes. So there is a bracket, that is 3 plus 2. So what is here? 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2, first we have to change it. So 3 plus 2 is what? So 3 plus 2 is 5. So for this we have to replace 5. The remaining number should be written as it is. Okay, now here we are going to continue, that is 2 plus 1. Okay, then we have to see that we have completed bracket. Okay, after bracket what is the rule? That is division. Can we see any division number here? No. Okay, if it is not there means we have to move to multiplication. Yes, now we are seeing the multiplication topic. So can we see any multiplication operation that is symbol here? Yes, we can see here. So we have to multiply this one. So that is 5 into 2. So 5 into 2 is 10. So we have to replace here 10. Then the remaining number should be written as it is. That is 10 plus 1. So now we have to write it. That is 10 plus 1 is what? We have to add 10 plus 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. Here 0 means 0 plus 1, 1. So our answer will be 11. Can you understand, ma? So the BIDMAS rule contains the first one of BIDMAS is, that is B. So B means bracket. Then second one, that is integer. We are not going to see that either as integers, so we can leave it. Then the third one as division. So division, D means division. So then after division we are going to see multiplication. Okay, now we have completed till the third one, that is still multiplication we have completed. Now the fourth one. So here we have completed 3. The fourth one is 4, that is addition, right? That is addition. Okay, now we are going to see addition here. So the same thing here also we are going to see. Now we can see an example and then you will be come to an understanding that how we have to do the process of BIDMAS rule using addition. Okay, now here I am going to give you a simple example, right? Okay, now here, see here. Now the first rule is what? Bracket. Can we see any bracket here? No. The second one is division. Can we see any division symbol here? Yes. So here it is 20 divide 2. So 20 divide 2 means 20 by 2. So 2 one time, here 20 10 times. So it will be written as 10 by 1. So I already told you, if you have 1 in the denominator, you can just leave it and you can just write the numerator alone, that is 10. Okay, you can replace here as 10, then the remaining number should be written as it is, that is plus 4. Okay, now 10 plus 4. Okay, so 10 plus 4 means 4 plus 0, 4 1, that should be written as it is, so equal to 14. Okay, so here also we have to see the rules and we have to do it by with the help of the rule. So first one is bracket, so we don't have any bracket, so we can lift it. And the second one is division symbol. Can we see division symbol here? Yes, we can see division symbol. Then the third thing is multiplication. We don't have multiplication in the full sum itself. Then we have addition, so we are adding it and we can get the answer as plus 14. Okay, then the last thing, that is first one bracket, second one as first one as bracket, second one as division, third one as multiplication, fourth one as addition, and the last thing is subtraction, that is here fifth one. Right, here it is subtraction. So now subtraction, so we can see by using an example itself, that is 15 minus 5 plus 3. You can write it like this. Okay, first here we have to see bracket. Can we see any bracket here? No, we can lift it. Then the division. Can we see any division symbol? No, we can leave it. Then multiplication symbol, we cannot see any multiplication symbol here. Then the addition symbol. Can we see addition symbol? Yes, we can see addition symbol, that is 5 plus 4, sorry, 5 plus 3. So what is 5 plus 3? 8. So while we are adding 5 plus 3, it is 8. So we can replace here. So we can have to write this number as it is, that is 15 minus 8. Okay, so 15 minus 8. So we have to subtract 15, 8. So while we are subtracting, we have to borrow here, and the 1 will be decreased by 1. So that is, we can write it as 0. So 15 minus 8. That is 15 minus 8 is 7. So we can simply write it as 7. So by this way we have to do. Another time I am explaining, that is BIDMAS rule. BIDMAS means B means bracket, we are not going to see in this types in 6th standard. Then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now we can see some more examples based on that. Plus minus 6 division of 3. Okay, 3 plus 4 minus 6 division of 3. So what we have to do here, first thing is what? Bracket, second one division, third multiplication, fourth addition, fifth the last thing is subtraction. So here what we have to do, first we have to check whether the bracket is here in the question or not. So there is bracket, so 6 divide 3. So first we have to take this one, so 6 by 3, right? So 6 by 3 means 3 1 times, 6 2 times, so 2 by 1. So if in down there is 1 means we can just leave it and just write the above number itself. So above they have given, that is in numerator, that is 2. So you have to write 2 alone. If the denominator contains 1 means you can leave it. Okay, you can just try the numerator number alone, that is 2. So here it should be 2, that is you have to take that number as it is and you have to write it down. So 3 plus 4 minus, so 6 divide 3, 2. Clear? Then, so bracket has completed. Next one, the second one is division. So division also we have completed. Next, third one, it is multiplication. Whether we have multiplication symbol here? No. So after multiplication symbol, what we have to see? We have to see addition symbol. So addition symbol is here, that is here 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 is what? 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, now write 7 here and remaining number should be written as it is. Okay, so 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2, simply 7 minus 2, what we will get? So 7 minus 2 means 5. So our answer will be 5. So this is a step by step process. You have to simplify in this method only by using the order of operations, that is BIDMAS rule. Okay, the first thing is bracket, second one is division, third one multiplication, fourth one addition, and fifth one subtraction. Okay. Students, now we are going to see the third question. The same procedure we are going to follow here. Okay, that is BIDMAS rule. Okay, now we can see the third question. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can see I am going to do more and more sums based on this topic itself. Why means it is very important topic. Okay, it is very important topic because it is a base thing for all of you to be get well in the higher studies and all. Okay, so if you know this type of method, then only the biggest sums like in your in your higher stage you will study more types of sums like this. Okay, now this is a basic, so you have to study this properly. Okay ma. Okay, now the third question is what they have given here is 3 minus 2 plus 6 into 10 minus 8. Now here the first thing of the BIDMAS rule is what? That is the first thing is bracket. So what is a bracket they have given here? 10 minus 8. So 10 minus 8 is the first thing we are going to see here. So write equal to, okay, then just take that all the numbers and write it down. So 3 minus 2 plus 6 into, you have to write that into also. Okay, then what we have to write? Then 10 minus 8. Simply 10 minus 8 means what? 10 minus 8 is what? 2. So we can just simply write it as 2 here. Clear? Can you understand ma? Okay, then what we have to do? So see, it is a step by step process. சரியா? So step by step we will simplify the values. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, ரொம்ப simple. Okay, so bracket complete பண்ணிட்டோம். So after bracket what is the rule? Division. So whether there is any division symbol there? No. So okay, if there is not, we don't have division symbol means we have to next jump on to multiplication. So can we see any multiplication symbol here ma? Yes, here it is. So we have to do this one. So that is 6 into 2. So 6 into 2 is what? 12. So you have to write all the numbers as it is, and here you should be the number should be changed as 12. Clear? Okay, next the multiplication also completed. So after multiplication what is the rule there? Addition. So can we see any addition symbol there? Yes. So what is addition symbol there? 2 plus 12. So what is 12 plus 2? 2 plus 2, 4. 1 should come as it is. So you have to write the number as it is and the negative symbol and 14. Clear? Okay. So after this what we have to do? We have to see, subtract both the numbers. So while subtracting both the numbers, which one is biggest number here? 14 is the biggest number. So 14 contains which operation? Negative operation. So we have to write negative symbol here. Then what we have to do? So now here we have written subtraction, negative symbol, and then we have to subtract 14 minus 3. So here we are going to subtract, right? So 4 minus 3 is what? 1. Then the remaining 1 should come as it is. So we can consider here as 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So our answer will be 11. That is minus 11. Okay, can you understand? You have to simplify. First நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், first நம்மளுக்கு அந்த ரூலில் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு பார்க்கணும். Bracket. Okay, and the bracket இருக்கா நம்ம கொஷினில் பார்க்கணும். Okay, if it is there means you have to solve that bracket first. அந்த bracketக்குள்ளே வாட் எவர் ஆப்ரேஷன் கேன் பி, எந்த ஆப்ரேஷன் வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம், அடிஷன் இருக்கலாம், சப்ராக்ஷன் எது வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம், தட் இஸ் நாட் அ மேட்டர். ஸோ இஃப் தர் இஸ் bracket you have to do it. ஓகே, சரி, அது முடிச்சிட்டோம். அது முடிச்ச அப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன? டிவிஷன். ஸோ இஃப் தர் இஸ் டிவிஷன் ஆப்ரேஷன் வெதர் தே ஹேவ் given means you have to do it. If they didn't give means you have to move to the next operation, that is multiplication. Okay, likewise you have to do addition and subtraction too. Okay, now we can see some big example, right? Okay, now here what they have given is 20 division 2 plus 10 minus 3 bracket 4 plus 6. See here it is a bracket. Yes, this is the bracket. It is big bracket, that is square bracket, and inside there is small bracket. Yes or no? Yes. So now here what we are going to do is, now we are going to do the big bracket. Okay, இப்போ வந்து now we can write all the numbers as it is. So 20 divide 2 plus 10 minus, open the bracket, write the 3 as it is. Then there is insidely, or that in inside there is one bracket, right? So that inside bracket we have to do first. So what is the inside? ஒரு bracket இருக்கு, அந்த bracketக்குள்ள இன்னொரு bracket இருக்குன்னா அந்த உள்ளார இருக்க bracket இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதை தான் நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட்டு பண்ணணும். ஸோ உள்ளார இருக்க bracket ஃபஸ்ட்டு பண்ணோன்னா 4 plus 6 is what? 10. So we have to add 4 plus 6 is 10. So we have to open the bracket, small bracket, and complete it. ஓகேவா? இப்போ ஒரு bracket முடிஞ்சது. So we are having like this. So 3 bracket 10. So 3 bracket 10 அப்படின்றத நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுவோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், that is 3 into 10. Clear? Okay? Okay, now so for example what we can say is 2 bracket of 3 இப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா கூட நம்ம எப்படி எழுதணும்னு சொன்னால், so 2 into 3. Okay, you have to write like that. So for example 7 into 5 means that is 7 into 5. So you have to consider this gap. Yes, consider this gap as into. Clear? ஓகேவா? இது வந்து என்ன சொல்லணும்னா நம்ம எப்படி ஸ்பெல் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் 3 of 10 அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். What? 3 of 10. That of means 3 of 10. So that of means it is multiplication symbol. Clear? And another thing we can see afterwards, that is not necessary. What is another thing means, that is 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 means what? 3 by 10. So this is division. Of means it is multiplication. Clear? So 3 of, so you have to spell it as 3 of 10. So 3 of 10 means you have to write it as 3 into 10. So 3 into 10 means what? 30. Clear? What? 30. So here for 3 of 10 what we have to write? 30. So equal to 20 divide 2 plus 10 minus 30. Okay ma. Okay ma'am. Now bracket is completed ma'am. Now what is the next step ma'am? அப்படின்னு கேட்கலாம் நீங்கள். What the next step is, we have to see bracket. After bracket what will be the step? Division. So whether we have division operation here? Yes. Where is the division operation? Here it is. Okay, so 20 divide 2. What? 20 divide 2. How you will write? 20 divide 2. So 2 ones are 2. Here 1. So what will be the remaining here? 1. 0 means what? 10 base 1. So here numerator, I already told you, in the denominator if you have 1 means you can just leave it and you can write the numerator alone. So that is in the denominator if you have 1 you can just leave it. You must write the numerator alone, that is 10. Right? So our answer here comes, that is 20 divided by 2 is 10. So you have to replace for 10 in the form of 20 division of 2. So here it is 10, then plus 10, then minus 30. Clear? Then after completing the division process, then what we have to see ma'am? Then we have to see the, what we have to see? Multiplication. So you can you see any multiplication operation here? No. So if there is no multiplication operation means we have to move to the next operation, that is addition. So can you see addition here? Yes. So that is addition is 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10 is what? 0 0 0. 1 plus 1 2, that is 20. So for 10 plus 10 what we have to write here? 20 minus 30. Clear? So then next process is what? That is 20 minus 30. So we have to subtract both the things. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to see the biggest number. Which one is biggest number here? 30 is the biggest number. So if 30 is the biggest number, what we have to write here? If 30 is the biggest number, what we have to write? You have to write the negative symbol. Then what we have to do? We have to subtract. That is 30 minus 20. So here 0 0 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer will be minus 10. Clear? Can you understand? Can you understand these types of sums? Yes? Very 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 simple. புரியுதுங்களா உங்களுக்கு? ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் சிம்பிள் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் சம்ஸ் தான் இது எல்லாமே. நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு வாட் யூ ஹேவ் டு திங்க் ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப் ப்ராசஸ், அதை தான் நான் மெயினாக சொல்ல வருவேன். ஏன்னா இது வந்துட்டு ஒரு பிக் ஃபார்மேட்டில் கொடுத்துருவாங்க. நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டெப்லேயும் சி ஹியர் டிக்ரீஸ்ட், இந்த பெருசாக இருக்கிறது வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டெப்லேயும் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே வரும் வேல்யூஸ். ஃபைனலி வி வில் கெட் அ சிங்கிள் நம்பர் இல்லையா? அது டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே வந்து வி வில் கெட் அ சிங்கிள் நம்பர். ஸோ இது வந்து நீங்கள் லெத்தாச்சிக்காக விட்டிங்கன்னா யூ வில் நாட் கெட் எனி ஐடியா அபவுட் யுவர் இன் யுவர் 11th and 12th subjects and all. Just simplify தான் கொடுப்பாங்க in your 11th and 12th. Just simplify. You will not get these types of numbers. You will get some constant values, constant and variable mix ஆகிருக்கும். That is x, y, x square, y square, x power 4, x power 5 அந்த மாதிரி. அப்போ வந்து on that time you will not get any idea. ஐயோ இது எப்படி போடுறதுனே தெரியலையே, ஐயோ கொஷின் பார்த்தாலே பயமாக இருக்குது. You will think like that. No. This is a very simple concept, no? So you can learn from now itself. Okay, will you do it? Okay, then the fifth sum, that is what they have given is in fifth sum. Okay, now here fifth sum, that is 5 minus 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 10. So now here what is the main thing? First thing, what is the thing? That is bracket. So if we can see a bracket here, no? That is 2 into 2. So before that number we have to write as it is. So 5 minus 3 plus 2 into 2 is 2 into 2 is what? 4. So we can just write 4 here. Then the remaining plus 10. That's all. Then so if we completed bracket, what we have to see? Next, division symbol. We have division symbol? No, we don't have. Okay, leave it. Then next process is what? Multiplication symbol. Whether we have multiplication operation there? No. Then what we have to see? We have to see addition symbol. We have addition symbol or not? Yes, we have. How many addition symbol? 2 addition symbols we have. So see here, that is these 3 we have to add. Yes or no? Yes. So what we have to do here? 3 plus 4 is what? That is 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, 7. After just write it. That is 5 minus 3 plus 4, 7. The remaining plus 10. So another addition symbol also here. So 7 plus 10 is what? 70711 equal to 5 minus 17. Right? Okay, after that what we have to do? 5 minus 17. So we have to subtract. So before subtracting we have to see the biggest number. So which is the biggest number here? 17 is the biggest number. So 17 contains a negative symbol. So negative symbol means we have to put subtraction in the answer. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to subtract the number, that is 17 minus 5. So 7 minus 5, 2. Here it will be 0. That is, if there is nothing means we can keep it as 0. And now we have to see 1 minus 0 is 1. So your answer will be 12. That is minus 12 will be your answer. See, அப்படியே டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே வந்திருக்கும் பாருங்கள், நல்லா தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இல்லையா? So just keep it in mind. We have to simplify the values. Clear? We have to simplify the values. Okay, now we can see the sixth example, that is 6 division 2 minus 4 plus 24. Now the first thing is bracket. Can we see any bracket here? No. Okay, if we don't have bracket means the next step what we have to do? We have to see the division symbol. Can we see any division symbol here? Yes, that is here it is a division symbol, that is 6 divided by 2. So 6 divides 2. So 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. So 1 times 16 means 8 times. So 8 by 1. I already told you, when you have 1 in the denominator, you can just leave it and you can just write the numerator alone. That is 8. So here it will be 8 minus, you have to write all the numbers as it is. Okay, then what we have to do? Then we have to see whether we have multiplication symbol or not. We don't have. Then after that, after multiplication, what we have to see? We have to see whether we have addition symbol. We have addition symbol or not? Yes. So that is 4 plus 24. So 4 plus 24 is what? 4 plus 4, 8. Then the remaining, here it will be 0. So 0 plus 2 is 2. So while we are adding, we will get 28. So 8 minus 28. 8. Clear? Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to subtract the values. Okay, we can see, we can easily say by seeing itself. Yes. Okay, now we are going to subtract the values. Okay, now we have to see which is the biggest number here, which while seeing this 28 is the biggest number, so we are 28 contains negative form, so our answer should be in negative form. Then what we have to do, we have to subtract these two numbers, that is 28 minus 8. So we have to subtract 8 minus 8, 0. Then here it will be 0, we have to consider as 0. Then 2 minus 0, 2. So our answer will be minus 20. Can you understand the order of operation? So now I will explain another time what is meant by order of operation. Now here order of operation means at the first, that is the name is BIDMAS. What? BIDMAS rule. That is BIDMAS means the first B refers to what? We have to check with, if they gave you a question, we have to check first that if you have bracket. So if you have bracket, you have to do the bracket first. Yes, we have to give answer for the bracket first. Then what we have to do? Then after completing the bracket, we have to move to the division. So if there is division, you have to do the division sum. Next we have to move to the multiplication fact. So after doing multiplication, we have to move to addition. After completing addition, we have to go to the final step as subtraction. Okay, this is a main concept of this session. Please concentrate in this topic. நிறையா டைம் நான் சொல்லிகிட்டே இருக்கேன், வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டாபிக். ரியலி ஐ எம் டெல்லிங், வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டாபிக். நீங்கள் இப்போ உங்களுக்கு இது தெரியாது, இன் ஃப்யூச்சர் யூ வில் கம் டு அண்ட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தட் மேம் அன்னைக்கே சொன்னாங்க, படிச்சிருக்கலாம். ஸோ டோன்ட் கோ டு தட் லெவல், ப்ளீஸ் ஸ்டடி ஹியர் இட் செல்ஃப். அப்போ நீங்கள் நல்லா கிளவராக ஆன்சர், போல்டாக ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும் உங்களால். ஓகே, கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? Okay, we can continue, we are going to continue this topic in the next session also. Okay, be good students. Okay, continue doing all your homeworks and your fair work also. Okay, students, thank you, bye.